Next we will review OPPO, and you can also watch Banksian. The OPPO Find S2 Pro has been officially released. First, let's take a look at its price. Personally, I think the Pro version, compared to the standard version, indeed offers much better value for money. Looking back, the value for money of this Pro version is truly appealing. The 16 plus 512 golden version is priced at only 5,999 Yen, which is quite a deal. Next, let's take a general look at the specifications. It is equipped with the Dimensity 9500 processor. The large battery results in charging being only 80 watts. Additionally, it supports 50 watt wireless charging. In terms of performance, with the support of the Tidal engine, Dimensity can also shine. The screen is a custom 2K display and the texture is very good. OPPO mainly focuses on imaging, and besides this 200 million telephoto lens, the effect of 4K live images is also excellent. These photos are a set I took with multiple focal lengths, and you can see the texture is really outstanding, with Hasselblad support making it shine. The 4K live images really deserve praise. Take a look. It's the first time I've seen live images with such quality. It truly feels like a movie, and every frame is so detailed that you can see pores clearly. You can only trust OPPO for live images. For young ladies, this feature is really very useful. It's a dream phone, a must-have for every girl. Finally, let's talk about the texture. The texture of the X9 Pro is really good. Of course, the phone is slightly wide, so it might be a bit tight for small hands, but since girls have bags, it shouldn't matter. Interested friends can check it out, it's indeed quite